In a major escalation of global trade tensions, the United States has slapped a 25% tariff on nearly all Indian origin goods effective from August, while also levying additional penalty taxes in response to India's continued energy and defense trade with Russia. The move is part of a broader realignment of US trade policy under the Trump administration, with India emerging as the only country to face the full 25% rate. In contrast, nations like Pakistan, Vietnam, Bangladesh, and Turkey have received 15 to 20% tariff brackets, as the US attempts to balance trade enforcement with strategic interests. India's higher rate reflects dissatisfaction over New Delhi's refusal to curb imports of Russian crude oil and defense hardware, despite repeated US warnings. The tariff excludes key sectors such as pharmaceuticals, active pharmaceutical ingredients, APIs, energy products, electronics, and semiconductors. However, Indian exporters have raised red flags over the severe impact on other industries, particularly textiles, gems and jewelry, engineering goods, and seafood, which together form a significant share of India's non-oil exports to the US. Export bodies say orders are already being cancelled, especially those from American buyers who placed bulk purchases during the June Las Vegas Jewelry Expo. Units in Surat, Ludhiana, and Tirupur have reported growing anxiety, with many shipments halted mid-transit. In response, Indian exporters have petitioned the government for emergency relief, including expanded export credit lines, targeted sectoral subsidies, and fast-tracked foreign trade promotion schemes. While the Indian government has expressed concern, officials have downplayed the broader macroeconomic effect, estimating that even under extreme scenarios, the tariffs hit to GDP would be limited to 0.2 to 0.3 percentage points. Policymakers have reiterated their non-negotiable stance on issues like no concessions on agricultural or dairy imports, no entry for genetically modified or beef products, respecting domestic cultural sensitivities. New Delhi has also reaffirmed its commitment to Russian oil imports, citing the commercial nature of these deals and their compliance with global norms. Sources confirmed India will not restructure its energy policy solely to accommodate US trade preferences. Meanwhile, Indian financial markets have shown short-term volatility, with both Sensex and Nifty sliding following the announcement. Analysts, however, expect stability to return as long as domestic demand remains strong and US-India negotiations progress. Trade talks are expected to resume later this month, with Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal scheduled to visit Washington around August end. Both sides hope to strike a bilateral trade deal by October 2025 that could restore exemptions and stabilize economic relations.